Welcome to another no-nonsense video. In this one, I will show you how you can easily share your VRBO listing with anyone you want to, and also you can see how your property looks on VRBO once it is published. VRBO doesn't make it easy for anyone to find how their property looks and what is the URL, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Once you're logged into VRBO from your computer, you will see your name on the top right side. Click on that and then click on owner dashboard, which is the second last option. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, you need to click on property on the left side and then property details. That will land you on your property details page, and all the information we've been looking for is on this page. So the most important bit is the property ID. Basically, you need to know just the ID of your property, and at any point, if you want to find your property and how it looks, you can just type in vrbo.com/ and your property ID. That will take you to your listing on VRBO. Also, if you just want to click on this property ID, this is clickable here. You can just simply click on this, and that will also take you to the same page. While we are on this, let me show you one more thing. Because Expedia owns VRBO, your listing when you publish on VRBO gets sent to Expedia as well. It is displayed on Expedia as well. At the same time, you will carry on working just with VRBO, but in the background, it pushes your listing on 30 or 40 other child websites, including Expedia. If you want to see the link of your property on Expedia and how it looks, you can just click on this Expedia distribution link, and that will take you to how your property looks on Expedia. It takes about a week after you initially publish your listing on VRBO. After that, this link will start working. It takes a while for the listing to reach Expedia. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye bye.